Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I have the trend bars indicator settings open here, and I wanted to show you the divergence. In this case, we can see that the candles are giving us a higher high, higher high. So the momentum on the candles is bullish through this section here. If you have a look at the stochastic, the orange line here, it's trending down, trending down. So we have a divergence where the candles are trending up, but the momentum showing on the stochastic indicator is trending down. If I untick this, you see that takes it out. So this is the stochastic indicator. The other indicators, right, that's the RSI. This little one, you'd find that that would be the same. If we put the RSI in, you'd see a divergence where the RSI is trending down and we've got higher highs showing here on the candles. The divergence signal in a lot of cases will give us an indication that the market's shifting gears, and as you can see here, we're on a 3-minute chart, so you can trade this on any time frame where you see the divergence showing. This dot alert can be a good signal, in this case to short it. So that's something to consider. That's a quick wrap on the divergence feature that we have in the trend bars indicator.